Cordial greeting, everyone. My name is Lorena Villegas Alzaten and I am 28 years old. I'm studying an 8th semester of English degree. I live in Pereira. Now I want to speak about Step 1 Core Recognition by Lorena Villegas Alzaten. What is the purpose of the course? The course learning purpose is the reinforce student foreign language, linguistics, sociolinguistics, and pragmatic competence through the accomplishment of oral production tasks in a given set of real-time interaction. How many learning outcomes can you find in these systems? At the end of the course, the student will be able to learning outcome 1. Demonstrate oral skills to express freely and spontaneously about different cultures, subjects for social or academic purposes. 2. Discuss about a controversial issue using pro or can argument to convince a counterpart toward a specified point of view. Learn. 3. Interpret student speech even when it is not clearly structured and when relationships are only implied and sound explicit. 4. Describe complex subjects with clear and detailed information, develop particular points, and rounding off with an appropriate conclusion. What are synchronous interaction activities? The learning strategy is based on the implement of goal-oriented, meaning-setting activities designed to facilitate student participation in meaningful synchronous activities. Specific tasks will in students' cognitive process of comprehension, meaningful production, and interaction in the target language with high standard fluency, and others too. How many activities does the course have? Course units. The 3 units of the course are following. Unit 2 enhances speaking skills through real-time interaction. It highlights the importance of language awareness and how peer interaction can foster oral introduction skills. Unit 2 Pro and Con arguments. This unit makes clear and divided about controversial insights in the course means to improve critical thinking and social linguistic skills. 3. On designing and production STEM speech, it gives relevance to the preparation of international and standard studies with emphasis in listening and speaking papers. Now, the learning strategy is organized in 6 tasks. Task 1, reflection upon English language awareness. Task 2, practicing the 8 weekly mandatory encounters. Task 3, debating about controversial issues. Task 4, speaking part of the Cambridge C1 Advanced. 5. Standard test listening quiz. 6. Debating a speech through a web conference system. Now, what activities in the course imply real-time interaction? Some Task 1, practicing a weekly mandatory encounters. Task 3, debating about controversial, and others too. Debating about controversial issues, speak part of Cambridge C1 Advanced, delivering a speech through a web conference system. One reflection on English language awareness. Now, summarize with your own words the core role and condition. Number 1, to put into practice the fundamental values of respect, honesty, tolerance, and solidarity in the interaction with the members and the Number 2, complying with the security policies, practical policies, and etiquette in the virtual platform unit. The technical requirement that my PC was made to develop my academic process in UNAD. 4, that the course provide with a current and prepared information. 5. Consume the course evaluation plan. 6. This course involves interaction with an author and colleagues in the real-time activities via Skype, Teams, or Zoom to demonstrate my English speech skills. 7. Make sure the institutional element is working properly. 8. Consistently consult the international man in the course and the institutional mind to be aware of the dynamics of subscription and participation in the different synchronous activities. 9. Start with a participation in the weekly mandatory meeting According to the introduction given by course director, every Friday and Saturday I will be reading the material and instruction in the internal main of the course. 10. Participate on time in the synchronous activities which I subscribe as the door to the punctual. 11. Attend of view the recording of the web conference meeting. 12. Please note when the submission in the course I need to have a V2 level according to the CEFR. 13. I accept in the event that my course has closed objective style evaluation the use is necessary to the facial recognition to provide my institution. Now step 2. Reflection on English language. Have you got an English language level certification? If not, what do you consider relevant in separation? I do not have an English certification, but I am studying an English academic, and I also self. I try to learn some reading and others every day. With movies, I also self-time. I try to learn. Consider that my level is B2. Often I develop more skills than others. I feel now many aspects of the English language are for learning many more. And 2. How do you get the level you have now? I reached this level through constant study in academia, and I'm very self-taught and watch movies in English, read myself in English. I always try to reason on myself with the language to learn more every day. Often I work every day and decide to dedicate 1 hour to English. 3. Why are you studying English as a foreign language? I'm studying English as a foreign language because I have vocation as a primary school teacher, and in addition to doing what I like, I want to gain career plus. An added value, I really like to understand the world and what better than for such a language universal use. I also share my taste for traveling through my language. 4. How is studying a language as an adult different from studying as a child? Studying the language as an adult or a child is a great difference, since as already in the reading, planning and studying a foreign language in many ways, adults learn different from children. Science is the same disposition of a child to that and an adult ability to acquire information and absorb it, the four variants in the methods and variants and the aspect. Now, how long should you study a foreign language? A foreign language must be studied in my consideration for license. We are in a world of constant change. The world never stops. A language is a constant transition and adapts to the present and its nuances every day, an opportunity to discover something new in a language. 6. How can you make language learning a part of your lives in the future? Language learning is part of my future right through search for new experiences abroad, putting into practice in real setting, going beyond the classroom. The concept also that through practice I explore new horizons that enrich my knowledge and sky in different settings. And 7. How can you organize lifelong language learning? The organization of language learning of life depends on the need for its use, or the plans that are how we. This language sense is used so extensive that we can have more deep, more specific, more formal or informal, taking into account the characteristics of the use that will be given to Polish or language and is component from daily life in its use and needs to be. And this is my presentation. Thank you so much.